Are you acting in this movie?
No, all the 12 people were already picked before the casting call happened. So no, I'm not in this movie.
Okay. So you're like co-producing this movie or something?
No man, it's really expensive film. So there is a man called Mr. Ashwini Dutt. He's producing the film. He is the most prolific man, so he's the producer of the film. Not me.
Got it. So in that case, are you like co-directing it or something? Kuch to?
So I'm actually something close, not co-directing it, but I went to school with the director from first grade. So hence that's my connection to the film.
Okay.
And I went to war school with the star in this film, Prabhas.
Yeah,
So we
absolutely.
were fighting for 6 years. So that's the real relation that I have with this.
Right.
And I think if someone in my street is making something that is the most amazing thing that can change what cinema did one more time, I think I have to be part of it.
And he's always there. Give it up for Rana Daggubati, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. And मैंने आपका गुस्सा भी देखा है, of course, when you talk about Prabhas sir and वो जो हमने battle देखी हुई है. So I'll take your leave. Over to you. Give it up for Rana, ladies and gentlemen, one more time.
All right, hello, thank you. So let me begin. This thing, just something, sometimes just fun going to school with some smart kids. Though you didn't study, they end up doing things like this. So the first person I'm going to introduce on this stage is, like alphabets start with A and B, and my introduction to Hindi cinema happened with the letters A and B, and with the man that carries A and B to the finest. Ladies and gentlemen, an AV on, the Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, please.
I think I'm saying stress the same way. So yeah, the first time when I came, like you really helped me. I was like, oh, please help. What should I do? What should I talk? And now, yeah, the media was very sweet then and now. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Awesome, man. Please take.
But it's been a great honor to have worked in this product, and there are many things that I'd like to ask Nag and the rest of the cast and the crew, but we'll get time for that a little later on. It's been a truly wonderful experience to have worked in a setup where they've actually gone beyond thinking what most of us have been doing all our lives in this film industry. And I really appreciate the fact that they're moving a little ahead of times and making us a part of that and making us work in conditions that we never ever thought we would be able to work in. So I want to congratulate Nag and the production for thinking something like this film, and a great honor for me to be a part of it.